Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a new school on Teachable. To create a school on Teachable, first of all, open up a web browser. Now in the URL box, type in teachable.com and search. Make sure you log into your account by clicking on Creator Login and enter your credentials for Teachable. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and find this Create New School option on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Enter the name for your school on the next page and click on Create New School. Now, on the next page, answer some of the questions so that you can build an experience to match your needs. Go ahead and choose. If you currently run an online business, select how big your organization is, enter all the information that is presented on the screen, choose your correct answers and click on the next button. Follow through the on-screen prompts and choose your products. Give your course a title, describe your course and click continue. You can also upload a thumbnail image by clicking the upload button and selecting an image from your device's camera roll or your library. You can also skip that step and on the next page set a price for your school. And if you've selected free plan, you will need to go ahead and enter the pricing plan name, subtitles if available, and describe your pricing plan as well. Finally, after you are done, go ahead and choose a method to create your course curriculum, and you will then be able to create a new school. You can also go ahead and choose the premium version or free version of Teachable. Now you can go ahead and enter the rest of the information for your curriculum. Complete the setup guide, organize your content into sections and lecture, and that's how you easily create a school for yourself on Teachable. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.